President Barack Obama will be in Austin on Monday, and among the things on his agenda, an invitation-only speech on education at the University of Texas. That speech coming just days after the Senate voted to spend millions of tax dollars to help save the jobs of teachers all over the country. But it's where the money is coming from that is raising some concerns. KXAN's Natalie Stoll has more from the UT campus. Natalie?
That's right. President Obama will be speaking to a crowd here at the Gregory Gym on the UT's campus Monday. The education, of course, being the topic. And this comes just days after the U.S. Senate voted to rush billions of dollars to help save teachers' jobs all across the country.
Teachers are having trouble getting their textbooks. They're having trouble getting school supplies.
Lonnie Hollingsworth with the Texas Classroom Teachers Association says President Obama stands behind public schools. A portion of the stimulus package went into balancing Texas' education budget, and teachers even got a modest raise. But Hollingsworth says education has to continue to be a priority in every budget.
Education is something that is essential to our government, essential to our country, and an investment in education is good for the economy.
Now, additional help could come from the federal level. Thursday, the U.S. Senate passed a measure that includes $10 billion to help school districts avoid laying off teachers or create new teaching positions. But the money will come at the expense of other federal programs.
There's a real desire to make sure that we don't add to the federal deficit, and so they're looking at what they call budget offset, where if they're going to raise money in a certain program, they look to make a cut in another program to offset it.
And this new measure may affect SNAP, the Supplemental Food Assistance Program. Jeff Wool with the Texas Health and Human Services Commission says a decrease in their funding will affect the people they help put food on their table each month. 1.4 million receive SNAP benefits right here in Texas, and the number is up 25% just in the past year.
We've distributed more than $90 million more this year than we did last year. So the increase has been dramatic.
Now, the U.S. House of Representatives will vote on this measure next week, and it is expected to pass. Meanwhile, President Obama's speech here in Austin will begin at 2 in the afternoon on Monday, and we will bring you live on air and online coverage. Live on the UT campus, Natalie Stoll, KXAN Austin News.
The president's Austin visit includes a minimum $5,000 per plate Democratic Party fundraising luncheon at the Four Seasons Hotel. Then Obama will head to UT for that speech. And finally, he'll round out his evening with another Democrat fundraiser in Dallas.